ChatGPT API is an application programming interface (API) that provides developers with access to the capabilities of the ChatGPT language model. ChatGPT is a powerful AI language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like responses to text-based inputs. Here are 10 things you can do with the ChatGPT API. Create a chatbot. You can use the ChatGPT API to build a chatbot that can converse with users in natural language. Customer support. You can use ChatGPT API to create a customer support bot that can understand and respond to customer inquiries and complaints. Content creation. You can use the ChatGPT API to generate written content such as blog posts, product descriptions, or social media posts. Personal assistant. You can use ChatGPT API to build a virtual assistant that can schedule appointments, set reminders, or perform other tasks. Language translation. You can use the ChatGPT API to translate text from one language to another. Voice assistants. You can use the ChatGPT API to create a voice assistant that can understand and respond to voice commands. Text summarization. You can use the ChatGPT API to generate a summary of a long text document. Sentiment analysis. You can use the ChatGPT API to analyze the sentiment of a text and determine whether it is positive, negative, or neutral. Educational tool. You can use the ChatGPT API to build an educational tool that can answer questions and provide explanations. Game development. You can use the ChatGPT API to create games that involve natural language interaction between players and virtual characters.